Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Kidisun Montessori dressing frames, which we believe are the best Montessori dressing frames for toddlers. If you're looking for a tool to help your little one develop important life skills while having fun, stick around because this product is a must-have. The Kidisun Montessori dressing frames come in a community set of 6, each measuring 11.8 inches square, which is the perfect size for toddlers' small hands. The set includes different types of fastenings, zippers, buttons, buckles, and laces, making it a well-rounded option for helping children practice their fine motor skills. It's an engaging and educational tool that will help your child learn basic dressing skills in a hands-on way. What stands out about these frames is their sturdy construction. Made from durable beech wood, each frame is designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday play. They're finished with a non-toxic varnish, so not only are they safe for your little one, but they're also easy to clean. The cotton fabric inserts, which feature soft batting inside, are another great touch. They're washable, ensuring that these frames will stay looking fresh through countless learning sessions. The design of these frames is truly kid-friendly. Each frame features a zipper with a ring pull, designed to help toddlers get a grip on the zipper and practice their skills with ease. The zipper doesn't unlatch at the bottom, ensuring a frustration-free experience for your child as they learn how to use it. The goal is to foster independence, and these frames do just that, encouraging children to dress themselves with minimal assistance from parents. In terms of development, these dressing frames help children build important skills like hand-eye coordination, concentration, and problem-solving. They also promote self-confidence as children master each new skill on their own. It's a great way to integrate practical life skills into your child's routine, in line with Montessori principles of learning through active engagement and exploration. These Montessori dressing frames are ideal for toddlers aged 3 and up, making them perfect for your growing child. The set encourages children to take part in their own self-care and promotes autonomy, which is exactly what the Montessori method is all about. It's also an excellent way to introduce children to daily tasks that they will need as they grow older. Whether you're a parent or an educator, the Kidisun Montessori dressing frames are a fantastic addition to any playroom or classroom. They offer more than just a learning experience. They also provide a fun, interactive way for kids to practice and perfect their dressing skills. Plus, with 6 frames to work with, children won't get bored as they practice different fastenings. At $169.99, this set offers great value for money, especially when you consider how much your child will benefit from these interactive learning tools. You can rest assured knowing you're investing in a product that's designed to last and help your child gain important skills. If you're interested in the Kidisun Montessori dressing frames, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on the best products out there.